Located on Main Street in Vineyard Haven and open year-round, the Mikado Asian Bistro offers fine Asian cuisine with a very pleasant atmosphere. All the dishes, especially from the sushi menu, look as amazing as they taste.
We're here at the Mikado Asian Bistro, and I'm with the owner, Kevin. Kevin, tell us a little bit about this restaurant.
Mikado was first opened in 1990 with my father, who opened in Middletown, Connecticut. He is a longtime sushi chef, well known, learned the sushi in Japan. Yeah.
And is this restaurant, it's in Vineyard Haven, is this open all year round?
This restaurant is open all year round, yes.
And tell us about the dishes in front of us. They're gorgeous. They don't just look delicious, but they're beautiful.
Thank you very much. This one here, we have salt and pepper calamari, which is Sung Dynasty dish. And right here, we have Vineyard Haven roll, a tiger roll. We have all the sushis, white tuna, striped bass, yellowtail, tuna, and salmon. And this sashimi dinner. And this one, Mandarin lobster, it all starts in Qing Dynasty, which is 200 BC. Now we can have a drink and eat the food.
Sounds good to me. Well, let's dig in. Thank you for having us.
Please.